Hey guys, quick update video on the BMW restoration K75 model. As you can see, I have removed all of the rear end, basically the bevel, gear case. So the main concern in this bike was that there was a leakage here.
Yeah, there you go, you see there.
So that's either like a engine crankshaft seal or gearbox first shaft seal. So we'll have to remove the gearbox, take a look at the seals, remove the clutch, and then check the crankshaft seal also. But once we remove the gearbox, we'll see where was the leak coming from. So yeah, we have to do a lot of cleaning. So now the transmission is out, the gearbox is out, the push rod is here, but you can see this whole oil leak here. Everything is so dirty, and look at these. I think this one is the main shaft of the gearbox. But yeah, this is not okay. We are gonna take a look at this BMW K75 gearbox. It needs overhaul regarding the oil seals, because basically, as you can see, the whole thing is just so gross to look at. I'm wearing gloves because I really do not want to touch that. Yeah, you can see pretty clear that this is not clean. Basically, we're gonna do this seal, and this rubber thingy. Wait, this one, the clutch rubber, and probably that one too. It has some oil, yes. You can see the whole thing here is covering shit in oil. So yeah, we're gonna take a proper look at these. We're gonna clean it a little bit, and then maybe I open the whole case up and see what's inside. I don't know, we'll see. So you can see that I'm cleaning right now with a toothbrush and with some of these. This is basically a degreaser, a really strong one. In fact, some of it has spilled on my arm, and it is really itchy at some point. Not always, but sometimes it's really itchy. But yeah, you can see that I'm brushing every corner that I can with this, and then I go like this and just wait until a lot gets clean, and then we're gonna wipe everything down. And I think it's gonna look really nice, but you need a lot of patience. So now, after some cleaning, now I can touch it without getting my finger really dirty. I'm gonna leave this overnight with some anti-degreaser, well, some degreaser. But yeah, it's looking really good. Some parts are a bit dirty, but yeah, you can see that if we pass the rug here, it's getting way cleaner. This is not like mechanical top-notch restoration or something. It's not super important, but I just like, whenever I ride my bike, I just like seeing it clean, and whenever I touch it, I don't want to feel like the bike is dirty, or I can get dirty by looking at it.